Doc92 here once again. Today's video is going to be on my Extar Ep9 and kind of an overview. I got asked a question down in the comment section, so I told the guy I'd make a little video, so I figured I'd add a little more. Mainly I'm just going to be doing the disassembly and show you how to take off the foregrip and everything and answer that gentleman's question. So, that being said, I do want to say, again, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you like what you see, please give me a like. Subscribe for more future content. I will be dropping more, if not daily, every other day. So, again, please do that. You will not regret it. So, Extar Ep9. The takedown is fairly simple. Always want to make sure that bolt is forward and not, to the rear. First thing first is, it's kind of like a regular breakdown. There's that detent pin. It is kind of stiff, so I just kind of either use I'm just using a Phillips, the same thing I use to take it apart. So push it in, comes out the other side, you just pull it out. That's that, and then you just pull it forward. That's it, that simple. That comes out, there's your bolt. It's a little different, but that's why it's its own proprietary system, and it's not compatible with a lot of AR parts. So there is going to be a little hook, as you can see, right up in here, and that's going to go on there. There's that little lip. So when you put it on, you just slide it, set it right on top, and you just slide it in. It's fairly simple. Push it in, and then you just drop your pin. That's it. This is simple, very easy. So when it comes to the foregrip, there's going to be a screw on each side here. So you're just going to want to go ahead and unscrew that. I will go ahead and do that now, and I'll see you guys here in just 1 second. Alright guys, so once you take out your two fairly long little screws there, all you gotta do, boop, that's it, man. Very simple. It comes right off. My flashlight and angled foregrip stays right on there. So to answer his question, you don't get a lot of room, dude. You get about 1/2 inch to maybe 3/4 or 2/3. That's basically your range, man. So as far as getting one of those Fox suppressors that slip over and everything, it is a sleek look. I totally want to do the same thing. I wanted to. I never really thought about it, and now that I see that, it's not really possible unless you find something that barely goes down, but I don't know. But yeah, right here you can see that's where the thread connects, 1/2 by 28. Yeah, I hope that answers your question. Yeah, you get about 1/2 inch, like I said, 3/4, 2/3, around that area. If that's not gonna work for you, I recommend this one right here, and I do believe I did put in the link. If not, I can give it to you down in the description below. So that being said, I hope I answered some questions. If you guys have any more further ones, please let me know in the comment section below. I am more than happy to answer anything you guys want to give me. So yeah, I'll end it at that. As always, guys, take care.